Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
I will walk you through adding an SSL certificate to your server step by step. First, confirm you have shell access and control of DNS records for the domain. Next, choose key strength and generate a CSR using a 2040 8-bit RSA private key. Open port 443 on your firewall so validation and HTTPS traffic will reach your server. Decide whether to use HTTP or DNS validation based on your DNS provider and hosting setup. Keep root or sudo access ready for installing certificates and configuring services. Generate your CSR and private key on the server where the certificate will be installed. Submit the CSR to your chosen CA and complete domain validation using HTTP or DNS methods. For automated free certificates, use Let's Encrypt, which issues a certificate valid for 90 days and supports renewal automation. Paid CAs often provide extended validation, wildcard support, and longer validity periods. If you require extra strength, request a 4096-bit key, but understand that it increases CPU usage for handshakes. Copy the certificate, intermediate chain, and private key to your server TLS directory and set file permissions to 600. Configure your web server to reference the full chain and private key and enable TLS 1, 2, and TLS 1, 3 while disabling obsolete ciphers. Restart the web service and verify the certificate using OpenSSL client to check chain and expiration. Finally, create an automated renewal process with cron or a systemd timer for Let's Encrypt, and monitor expiration to avoid downtime caused by expired certificates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.